Hello, driving intelligence community. I've got two project vehicles right now. My CTS V, it's the LS2 powered or Corvette powered Cadillac. It's got a 6-speed T56 transmission in it. And I've also got my Mustang over there. Both of them are in a state of project status. But I wanted to talk about the Cadillac here. One of the things that I've hated about this vehicle in comparison to the Mustang is that the shifter in this is the sloppiest thing I've ever messed with in a manual transmission vehicle. And I finally decided to do something about it. I'm working with another company. I'm not going to mention it yet. That video is coming up where I actually resolved this, but I wanted to show some of you what you could be dealing with one of these T56 powered vehicles. If you go underneath the transmission, there's a long linkage that, let me get on this side, probably a little bit easier. Comes down from the transmission. You can see it right there. That little ball and socket there. And you'll see the rod right there. Well, guess what you don't see in that rod? It's the bushing. There should be a bushing on each side, and then on the end of that rod, there should also be a bushing. Well, I had no idea until I just inspected this that bushing is missing on both sides. Here you can see that bushing sliding out way up there. Let's see if I can show you right there. What a mess. Now I know why it's so sloppy. This thing was difficult to get in the first gear or reverse gear. Sometimes I'd be at a stoplight panicking because I could not get the vehicle in gear. I'm going to resolve that now, and this is going to be a permanent fix. So stay tuned in the future where I take care of this. In contrast, that Mustang has got a top-loaded manual transmission, so there's no linkage going to it. And I put I think it was a saline shifter in it, and that thing is tight as can be. It's just amazing, perfectly shifting. This thing is a disaster, but I'm gonna fix that. So anyway, this is just a heads up for a video in the future. If you got one of these CTS Vs and you got a sloppy shift, I just showed you what one of the potential reasons are. There are others, and I'm gonna resolve all those when I do this project. So stay tuned to my channel.